Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now this one goes out to all you gardening pros or anybody that's looking to get into the world of gardening. Having a great pair of pruning shears can be infinitely valuable. This can be used for things like trimming trees and pruning plants, and if you don't have the proper equipment, it can really take a lot of time and be very tedious. That's why today we're going to be breaking down some of our favorite choices of pruning shears to make sure that you have the best tool available for the job. Now we'll be going through some of the benefits and features of each to see which might be right for you in your particular situation. And as always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so feel free to check them out there if you want to do a little bit more of your own research. Also, if I do happen to find any discounts, deals, or coupon codes, I'll throw those down in the description for you as well. So first off, we have the best pruning shears overall, and that's going to be the Truly Garden Pruning Shears. Now these are a fantastically well-rounded set of pruning shears. In fact, the company's mission here is to produce high-quality, long-lasting gardening tools, which means that all of their products are backed by a 5-year, no-questions-asked warranty, so you know that you're making a solid investment. The shears feature ergonomic aluminum grips with cushion coatings, hardened steel blades, a rubber shock absorber, and spring-loaded fulcrum. These are great to prune branches up to 20 millimeters thick. It also comes packaged in a beautiful genuine leather sheath that holds the pruning shears snugly in place. The total length of the shears is 8.5 inches, making them small enough to keep secure on your gardening tool belt. So guys, if you're just looking for the best overall pruning shears, then definitely check out the Truly Garden Pruning Shears. Next up, we have the best electric pruning shears, and that's going to be the Komok Professional Electric Pruning Shears. Now, if you're not interested in manually chopping away at branches, then this is a great option for you. These pruners can actually cut through countless branches up to 30 millimeters thick without issue. The charge will actually last up to 7 hours, so this is great for those marathon gardening sessions. It actually does have a fast charger as well, so you can charge it up again in just 90 minutes and get back to pruning without issue. This set of shears has a brushless motor with 600 watts of power. It also features a heavy-duty steel alloy blade. One great feature here is it does have a safety trigger that's a great defense against accidents. It also has a secondary touch sensitivity mode that will actually feel if your finger or body touches the blade and shut it off. It also comes with an 18-month warranty, and it's packaged with 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Really, the only downside to this set of pruning shears is that once you use them, you'll never want to go back to traditional shears again. Next up, we have our best budget option, and that's going to be the Tabor Tools Multitask Pruning Shears. Now, for those of you who don't want to spend a lot on gardening shears, this could be a great option for you without sacrificing any of the quality or any of the features that you want in a good set of shears. They're made of stainless steel, so you know they're going to be durable and strong. They also have a wonderful shock-absorbing spring, and this will allow you to squeeze as hard as you want without risking injuring your hand or wrist. They also have straight-edge blades, which makes them very easy to sharpen, which is great. Also, a great feature here is they do have a locking clip, and you can use that to securely store away the pruning shears when they're not in use. Honestly, these shears are great for retaining maneuverability and precision needed for delicate floral cuts, and for the price, it's going to be an excellent investment for you. So if you are just looking for a great budget option, definitely check out the Tabor Tools Multitask Pruning Shears. Next up, we have the best pruning shears for plants, and that's going to be the Enduropro Titanium Pruning Shears. Now, one thing that's really great about these pruning shears is they're very versatile. They can actually adapt on the fly to different gardening situations. They have a micrometric adjustment system, and that can be manipulated to work with different hand sizes and various plant stem girths. It's also easy to set this with just a flick of the thumb. By doing this, you can open the handle fully or open it halfway, which is ideal for smaller hands. You can even alter the blade tension here, which is really great. Also, these are incredibly durable. The steel cutting blade is actually coated in titanium to reduce friction and enhance rust protection. You can even use this to cut small wires, which is pretty great. It has a small wire cutting notch built into the blade. This set of shears can cut branches up to 30 millimeters thick, and it does have a lifetime warranty. So if you're looking for a very versatile set of shears for a wide variety of plants, definitely check out the Enduropro Titanium Pruning Shears. Next up, we have the best pruning shears for trees, and that's going to be the Terme Compound Action Pruning Shears. Now these are not your average garden shears. These are definitely for those tougher projects and aimed towards pruning large trees. These shears are incredibly well balanced and can cut branches up to 60 millimeters thick. The total length of these shears is 30 inches, meaning they're great to reach those high branches. They do have razor-sharp Teflon-coated blades and an extra-wide bite grip. Also, for being relatively large, they're very light, and this is due in part to their aluminum handles, which keeps the weight down. And that's fantastic, because if you are trimming a large tree above your head, it means that you won't tire out easily from lifting heavy shears. So guys, if you have a lot of trees in your yard and you're looking for something to prune them with, definitely check out the Terme Compound Action Pruning Shears as a great option. Anyway, guys, that's our list of some of the best pruning shears on the market. Hopefully, if you're a budding gardener, this video was helpful for you. If so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. And just a reminder, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can do a little bit more research there if you are interested. And also, if I do happen to find any discount deals or codes, I'll throw those down for you as well. Also, if you happen to have any questions or comments, please throw them below. I do love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today. Stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.